Hello and welcome. My name is Vukile. Yeah, today we are going to say to you Merry Christmas 2014 and a very Happy New Year. I'm going to deal with thirds today on the first string and second string. And I'm going to put my root on the second string. And I'm going to be playing in the key of G, which is on the 8th fret and second string. So that's where my key is. Now, for the major scale that is there goes this way. Okay, and then we're gonna find the third here by going 1, 2, 3. That's the third there. So the third is gonna be that. Okay, and for the second degree, the third is that. 3rd degree, 4th degree, 5th degree, 6th degree, 7th degree, and octave. Okay. Now, in terms of whether they are major or minor, let's talk about it. The first one is major. The G major there. The second one is A minor. Third one is B minor, C major, D major, E minor, and F sharp minor, and back to G major. Okay. Now, when you are playing like this, you're playing two modes of the major scale. This second string, on the second string, you're playing the Ionian mode of that scale. In this case, the Ionian, the G Ionian. And on the second or the first string, actually, you are playing the Phrygian mode. So you have 7 modes of the major scale. You have the Ionian mode, the Dorian mode, the Phrygian mode, the Lydian mode, the Mixolydian, the Aeolian, and the Locrian modes. So in this case, when you are playing thirds, you are actually playing the Ionian mode and the Phrygian mode. Okay, I will talk to you more about these modes as we go, because they're good to master, they're good to know, and they're pretty cool. So the next question is, what do you use these thirds for? Okay, what do you use the thirds for? So if I may repeat this, so this is major, minor, minor, major, major, minor, minor, back to major. Okay, so these are normally used for intros of songs and outros of songs, and they're also used for soloing, for breaking into some bridge or something like that, just to change the flavor of the thing, you know. It tends to give a certain color to your music. So these are thirds, and they can be strummed. You can strum them using a plectrum, like this. I'm strumming. So I'm just doing a downstroke, downstroke, downstroke. You can do alternate picking. There's no worry about it. Now let's look at another method of playing them. You can pick them using, say the second string and first string. Or you can start with the first string and then second string. Or you can use these two fingers, I mean the thumb and the finger, the first finger. You can also strum them in the backwards, or strum them, pick them, or what, you know, backwards. So let's go backwards. You've heard that kind of riff, start intro. There's another intro. It goes, sorry. So it starts with a slide. Okay. You've also heard this one. Maybe we're starting with the first one. It starts from the root. So it goes on like that. This one is actually hitting the root, second, third, fourth, then fourth, third, second, and the root again. Then it goes into a riff, something like that. So it goes. If you do it with a plectrum, you found it sounds a little bit different. Something like that. And this one, which is set by a slide, this slide starts from anywhere, just on this side of the octave. So it goes. So you can actually start it depending on the delay that you want just before you start doing the thirds. You can actually start it from. So you can actually start the slide from there. So it's a nice. Just learn those two riffs that I've just given you, and they will increase your vocabulary on these things. So let me summarize the thirds before I go. So the thirds is when you play the root in a scale, the root and then the third in that scale. And the thirds can be used for intros and outros. And thirds can be used for soloing. You can pick them with a plectrum, or you can pick them using your fingers. You can pick them in a reverse or in the normal way from the top, the bottom string to the top string. You can do what you want there. You can pick them very fast or very slowly. You can use alternate picking, or you can just use a down picking, down strum. So these are the thirds. I would like to thank you very much for watching this. I'll urge you to look for songs with thirds. There are some Soukous music songs with thirds, some Zimbabwean music with thirds, like the Bundu Boys. You find thirds in many genres of songs. So just find out where they use thirds, and then you can try to play them as well. Thank you very much for watching. My name is Vakila, and I say Merry Christmas to you. And I urge you to subscribe so that you may get the things as they happen.